Hello and welcome to ESN Squared, the podcast for experienced social media marketers. I'm Emily, your host, and I'm also a long-term member of the marketing team here at Iconosquare. Iconosquare is one of the leading analytics and management tools for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We're proud to work with world-renowned brands such as Patagonia, Asics, Sephora, L'Oreal, McLaren, Versace, and even NASA, as well as some of the biggest digital agencies in the world. If you're new to Iconosquare or just haven't gotten around to checking out our tools before, you can start with the basics by heading over to audit.iconosquare.com and getting a free audit of your Instagram and Facebook accounts to find out once and for all where you're flying high and where you're falling flat. These audits are so helpful and they are literally the best place to start when it comes to improving your social media strategy with analytics. If you're a regular listener of ESN Squared, you'll know that we have two types of episode: the interviews with social media experts, where professionals share with me and all of you their experiences working on social media, as well as their internal strategies, tips, tricks, and more. And we also have tutorial episodes in which I talk all by myself about a particular topic which can be a burning question for social media marketers like you and help guide you into making strong decisions for your social strategy. This episode is a tutorial. We're going to be focusing on 5 Instagram trends that you can apply to your influencer marketing strategy in 2021. We'll get down to the nitty-gritty in just a few moments. Once you're done listening, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave this episode a rating. Thanks in advance, and don't forget that you can trial Iconosquare for free for a whole 2 weeks, and you don't need to share any credit card information to get started. Contact me directly for any questions or feedback via emily@iconosquare.com. Influencer marketing, 5 Instagram trends to apply in 2021. Instagram's recurring novelties result in regular surprises from the app. The app that counts 1.2 billion active users per month as of 2021 is constantly innovating to build the loyalty of its users and keep its place among the 10 most used social media apps. Here are 5 Instagram trends that you can apply to your influencer marketing strategy in 2021. Instagram shopping, the rise of social commerce. If there is one trend to look out for in 2021 on Instagram, it is social commerce. Social networks are all in the process of becoming centralized shopping channels for consumers, and a few months ago, Instagram implemented its very own online shop functionality. No matter what industry you are in, the Instagram store is an opportunity to showcase your products and reach your consumers quickly. As Instagram explains, stores are an immersive, full-screen virtual storefront that allow businesses to develop their brand message and encourage the discovery of their products, all within a native shopping experience. Brands are therefore able to identify their in-stock products in their Instagram posts to assist the consumers in their buying process. As part of an influencer marketing strategy, a brand will be able to promote its online shop through influencers. For this type of communication, micro and nano influencers are particularly effective as they make it possible to segment messages by location, audience, and age groups. After testing your product, the influencer will share his or her opinion via posts or stories, which will redirect followers to your brand account and thus to the shop. It is currently possible for some all-star influencers to use product tags with a redirection to the Instagram shop on their collaboration posts directly with their own branded products. Live shopping on Instagram. Since the beginning of 2020, lives have been on the rise on Instagram. Challenges, shows, meetings, interviews. Brands and influencers have created many formats together to entertain Instagram users. So what exactly is live shopping on Instagram? This is a feature that allows you to shop directly during an Instagram live. Brands and content creators alike can tag their products during a live video, allowing viewers to buy or register products they like. And Instagram live shopping users can also highlight a particular product or showcase up to 30 products. Another great opportunity for brands to collaborate with influencers and promote their products. Instagram Guides, storytelling in the spotlight. The Instagram Guides feature has been available since November 2020. The Instagram Guides format is very close to that of a blog and is yet to be used to its full potential by brands in their influencer marketing campaigns. Guides allow grouping together in a single space different Instagram posts, and these posts typically have a common theme. Currently, there are 3 types of guide. Places, to recommend places that correspond to the brand's universe or in relation to its main audience. Products. With this type of guide, a brand can share the products listed in its online shop and list its categories by theme. And posts, to group posts with a common theme. For example, a beauty brand could create an in-depth skincare routine in guides by grouping the posts showcasing the relevant products. When you've been collaborating with influencers on Instagram for a long time, to the point of recruiting ambassadors, new opportunities are presented through guides. You could ask your ambassadors to create a guide with the post they did in collaboration with you. To be more creative, you could suggest integrating one of your product posts into a different guide. The possibilities are multiple with this functionality. You just have to offer your influencers the possibility of being creative with your products or your brand so that they can create impactful content based on storytelling. And a quick tip, in addition to your influencer campaigns on Instagram, do not neglect other features or channels that are less trendy at the moment. For example, a blog. Besides Instagram, the blog format is and always will be a safe bet. Influencers can better describe your products and services that they have previously tested, which allows you to improve your referencing, obtain authentic reviews, but also boost sales. Moreover, the influencer will usually promote their content on their own Instagram account too. So all in all, a winning combo. Instagram Stories and Reels, features you can no longer do without. Reels are already a must-have on the influencer's side, and it is essential for brands to make this functionality their own by the end of 2021. Created by Instagram to compete with TikTok, this feature quickly became a hit on the app. Why did it become a hit? Quite simply because this short format of 30 seconds maximum appeals to the users of social media and lets them exploit their creativity. For a brand, the first advantage is that it can present its products creatively with music and also highlight them via a storyline imagined by the influencers with whom it's collaborating. The Reels tool also makes the shopping experience more fluid, since the influencers can tag the brand's products on their post and direct traffic to the shop. It's an effective way to boost sales, increase followers, and gain visibility. In addition, Reels remain in the feed for a long time, and it is possible to import videos directly from your smartphone. This simplicity speeds up the content creation process. Here's another quick tip. Reels are currently mainly used by brands to showcase their products and share opinions, but many other actions can be planned. Revealing behind the scenes of a brand, introducing employees, launching challenges, sharing educational content and consumer reviews, etc. You can also ask the content creators you work with to help you to come up with ideas for actions to implement. As they are in video format, stories will also continue to be acclaimed by brands for their collaborations with influencers. Feed posts are less and less popular because in stories, it's possible to give more details about the product, to collect marketing insights from influencers' followers, notably thanks to the question stickers and surveys. Interactions with internet users are encouraged, and today, contests are also simplified via stories. The Instagram Dashboard, a new tool for professionals and content creators. With the main goal of enabling professionals, brands, and influencers to track and analyze the performance of their accounts, Instagram has just announced the creation of a dashboard. Users will be able to obtain all the information and statistics concerning them and discover a section dedicated to badges, as well as another for brand content and monetization functionalities. Instagram will also give them access to information especially created to help them use the social network through tutorials, among others. Be it for brands or influencers, the Instagram dashboard will help ensure the success of influencer marketing campaigns and identify areas for improvement. This social network is definitely not done surprising us, and there is no doubt that some novelties will soon see the light of day, like the last one announced by Adam Mosseri, which is the possibility to do live shows with more than one person, the opportunity to bring together your faithful influencers, followers, and customers. In conclusion, you now have all the keys to maximize your influencer marketing campaigns in 2021, thanks to these 5 latest Instagram features. To go further and find the right influencers, you can call upon a micro-influencer platform like Hivency. Hivency uses something called smart matching, which will help you to receive lists with pre-filtered profiles that resemble your customers without having to search for them. That's just about all for today's episode. Don't forget that you can check out our other tutorials and interviews with experienced social media marketers on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and TuneIn. I mentioned influencer marketing platform Hivency in this episode, so make sure that you head over to hivency.com and check them out if you're interested in building an influencer marketing strategy in 2021. And please don't hesitate to give this episode a rating, and for all questions and comments, or to inquire about being interviewed for ESM Squared, contact me directly via emily@iconosquare.com.